Hey, it's Tyson from Reviews. Y'all saw me from the Lego video, me playing the Lego video, and we're gonna open this up.
He's back!
I'm back! And I finally did this challenge. I haven't done it in a long time. And I'm gonna start biting.
Okay, Tyson, what does it have on it?
I already showed him. It has bacon. It has bacon and tomato.
Yeah. And what else on it?
Nothing else.
Bread.
I'm ready.
Yeah.
And let's start taking bites.
Oh, tomato fell out. It's okay, because Tyson is here to review. Oh, no, a bacon fell out. Okay, first bite. What do you think of it?
That's good. Really
Really good?
salty.
Okay, salty. Is it sweet at all?
Off the hook.
It's okay. What? On a scale of 1 to 5, what is it? Wait, you gotta finish chewing first. Keep chewing. Okay, what is on a scale of 1 to 5? What is it?
It's a scale of 1 to 5. But it's from McDonald's.
No, it's on a scale of 1 to 5. What is it?
It's from...
No. What number is it?
A scale of 1 to 5, $20.
It's 20? On a scale of 1 to 5, it's 20?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a 20. It's an off the hook.
It's off the hook.
Okay.
And I bought this from McDonald's. It was $20.
Okay, share, like, and subscribe.
And I'll be back. And I'll be in other videos. And I'll make new videos. Bye.
Peace.
Stay